Hi, I'm Archie, and welcome to Gelato Academy. Hitting publish on your new print-on-demand product feels great, but the reality is, it is just the starting line. Industry data indicates that up to 90% of new e-commerce ventures fail within their first 120 days, largely because they never achieve that crucial milestone, the first organic sale to a total stranger. At Gelato, we support millions of creators, from brand new artists to global enterprises. We process millions of orders globally, and our data clearly illustrates the exact variables that separate listings that convert from those that collect dust. Today, we are breaking down 3 data-backed strategies based on buyer psychology and search algorithms to help you secure that first real sale. Strategy number 1, eliminate the pain of paying with free shipping. Pricing a t-shirt at $20 and adding a $5 shipping fee at checkout is mathematically identical to a $25 t-shirt with free shipping. Psychologically, however, it is disastrous. According to the Baymard Institute, the average e-commerce cart abandonment rate hovers around 70%. The leading cause, accounting for 48% of those abandoned carts, is unexpected extra costs at checkout, primarily shipping. Furthermore, this is an algorithmic necessity. Etsy has explicitly stated that their algorithm prioritizes listings offering free shipping in US search results. By charging for shipping, you are severely handicapped in your search visibility. The data-driven fix: calculate your product base cost plus the standard shipping rate and combine them to create your retail price. You can automate this directly in your Gelato dashboard. Your profit margin remains identical, cart abandonment drops, and your search ranking improves. Strategy number 2, increase algorithm dwell time via motion. High-quality mockups are essential, but static images are no longer sufficient. Over 60% of the Etsy gross merchant sales now occur on mobile devices. Mobile users scroll rapidly, and the search algorithm heavily weighs dwell time, the exact number of seconds a buyer spends interacting with your listing. If a buyer clicks and immediately bounces back to the search page, the algorithm logs a negative engagement metric and demotes your product. The solution to stopping the scroll is video. On the Etsy mobile app, listing videos auto-pay directly in the search feed. Listings featuring video routinely see a 40% or higher increase in user engagement. You do not need a film crew. Take your Gelato mockup, apply a slow zoom effect in Canva, or film a simple 10-second pan of a physical sample to highlight fabric texture. This motion dramatically increases dwell time, signaling high relevance and quality to the algorithm. Today, that strategy is mathematically detrimental. Search algorithms now utilize advanced natural language processing. If your title reads like a robotic word soup, human click-through rates will plummet. If nobody clicks, the algorithm buries the listing. Keep your titles concise and readable. Mobile search results typically only display the first 30 to 40 characters of the title, so you must lead with exactly what the item is. Limit your primary title to under 15 words. Take your secondary long-tail keywords, such as gift for mom or office humor, and input them into your 13 backend tags. The algorithm indexes those backend tags for search queries. The visible title is strictly for human conversion. To streamline this process, you can utilize the Gelato AI tools to automatically generate optimized titles, descriptions, and all 13 tags based on current search volume data. Visibility is not about luck. It is about systematically removing friction for the buyer and feeding the correct metrics to the algorithm. Here is your objective for today. Log into your Etsy shop or Gelato dashboard right now and execute just one of these strategies. Absorb the shipping cost into your retail price, upload a motion graphic to stop the mobile scroll, or rewrite a keyword stuff title for human readability. I'm Archie from Gelato Academy. Go implement those changes, and I'll see you in the next one.